ધોરણ 8ના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે ગણિતનું પ્રકરણ 2 એક ચલ સુરેખ સમીકરણના સ્વાધ્યાય 2.5નો પ્રશ્ન નંબર 3 કે x + 7 - 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. So how can we solve that? So we must be find out the LCM of this problem, and we have to multiply each of the term we could be multiply by it. That is what 6 into x plus 6 into 7 minus 6 into 8x upon 3 is equal to 6 into 17 upon 6 minus 6 into 5x upon 2. Then therefore what we'll get it 6x plus 42 minus 16x. You can notice that we get that reciprocate form of for this 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Therefore 3 will be cut out, and then we get 16x is equal to 17 minus 15x. Therefore minus 10x plus 42 is equal to 17 minus 15x. Therefore minus 10x plus 15x is equal to 17 minus 42. As per the rules, we have to solve out the equation as sort out this equation. We know that when we got into, we have to do it multiply and minus into addition into minus. So this is the 5x, so we have to get it multiply, then we have to 25 minus 25. How could we got it? That 42 minus 17, then we will get it minus 25. So this is the multiply, then we will divide it. X is equal to minus 25 upon 5. Therefore the answer will be x is equal to minus 5. So this is the answer, is x is equal to minus 5. So fourth one is the x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Then what would be the LCM of this? We know we could do 3 and 5. LCM of the 3 and 5 is could be 15. It would be 15. So we must be multiply both the terms with 15. 15 into x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 15 minus x minus 3 upon 5. So we will sort out this equation as per these rules. Then we must be get that reciprocate form of this 15 and 3. So the 5 will be the remaining. So the equation will be this: 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3, because 5 and 3 will be get cut out from this with this reciprocate form. So 5x minus 15x 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. Therefore 5 minus 3x, as per the equation rules, we must be x is equal to answer is 8. So this is the answer is 8. So what is the next sum will be 3t minus 2 upon 5 upon 4 minus 2 into 2t plus 3 minus 3 plus is equal to 2 upon 3 minus 2. So what will be the LCM is the LCM will be 12. So we will multiply each term with 12. So we will get this equation. And after the reciprocate form of this equation, we will get this equation, and we have to sort out this equation as per we will get this equation. T is equal to 2. Answer will be we must be get that 2. You may notify that the Notice this equation. How would we sort out this? So will answer will get the 2. The correct answer is 2. So continue will be next. We will explain. I will explain this next sum in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching.